Ahoy, me hearties! If nautical adventures of magic, sword fighting and intrigue be the booty ye prize, then let us meet Captain Jack Dancer and set sail on the Red Seas. Created by Edginton and Steve Yeowell, the Red Seas chronicles the supernatural misadventures of outlaw pirate Jack Dancer and his motley crew of the Red Wench as they embark on a truly incredible voyage involving zombie pirates, werewolves, and a reptilian civil war. Edginton's vastly imaginative cocktail is twisted with barrels of fun and increasingly outlandish twists, including shamanic spirit quests, subterranean expeditions, cameos by Isaac Newton and George Washington, and even a run-in with Satan himself, steady on the poop deck. Edginton's co-captain is master illustrator Steve Yeowell, who anchors the fantasy, keeping his feet firmly on the deck, all the while conjuring the romantic elegance of films like The Crimson Pirate, Captain Blood, and the stop-motion delights of Ray Harryhausen. From the Seven Seas to the London Blitz to the American War of Independence, Yeowell's craftsmanship is always shipshape. So if the Red Sea shivers your timbers with anticipation, Earthlets, you can spend your hard-won doubloons in the 2000 AD webshop with the complete digital collection or Volume 1 in hardcover. Well, thanks for joining us on the 2000 AD ABC Earthlets. Next week, we're off to a very different kind of post-apocalyptic landscape with John Smith and Simon Harrison's Revere.